Hi guys, Jamie here. We're live at SCREWFIX Live 2023. We're just going to have a look at our new FType Mk2. It's 4 to 6 watt power changeable, so just slide side to side. Also has 4 colour changeable too. This unit also comes in a dim-to-warm, which we'll showcase in a second. We have a visual window, so you can just check your wiring. It's loop in, loop out, and it's len, so there's no crossover of cables. We do this in a flat bezel and also do it in a regressed bezel. With a dim-to-warm option, as you'll see on our dimmer, it will start off at 3000K, and when you dim it, it becomes cozier and goes all the way down to 2400. So this is great for any of your cozy areas, such as your lounge or your bedroom.